Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. I just came back from a nice big walk with my brother. And now I'm getting ready to make a dessert to bring to our friends. And I like bringing things because then I'm in control of what is in the recipe. And this is one of my favorite all-time, basically 3 main ingredients, depending on if you want to add different things to it, which I will do. And then you can decide if you want to or not. And it's a delicious chocolate mousse recipe. And it's versatile, like I said, and you can make it the way you want or do it the way I make it. So let me get started, okay? So I am using the Jello sugar-free chocolate fudge pudding with 4 cups of milk, and I've already put it in my Pyrex that I'm using because it has a nice lid, and it's nice when you're bringing it to friends or family or just for yourself. So you just, I'm using 1% milk, and you can use whatever milk you want. Okay, and also if you don't want to make such a large portion, if it's just for you or your family, you can just use one package with 2 cups of milk. I like using my hand mixer, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to get this nice and thick. So this is going to take a couple of minutes, okay, and then I'm going to show you what's next. All right, so now you can see how thick and rich this chocolate pudding is. Just going to shake off the rest. And I've added 2 cups of, you can use light or ultra light Cool Whip. And if you want to add more, you can add more. And then I just fold it in so that it gets like a mousse type texture, because it becomes nice and light if you want to add more Cool Whip or less Cool Whip. But it is super delicious. You can make it the day before, and I just mix it through. Now, I'm splurging today, so I decided to melt a 1/3 cup of some crunchy peanut butter, and I'm adding that in to make it even more decadent. Again, you don't have to. I don't normally, but we're going to our friends, and I'm going to just fold that in to it to make like a chocolate peanut butter flavor. Okay, and it's going to be amazing. So I'm just going to fold that in. Now, the other thing is I always like adding some fruit for bulk. So I'm going to add in a cup of blueberries. You could add strawberries if you want, but I just thought, or bananas. Whenever I make it, I like some fruit in it. It's a nice surprise when you're eating it. Okay, and then I just smooth it out. And if you want to add chocolate chips, now I have the white chocolate chips, or you can use whatever kind. I love the Lily's, and I've got about a 1/3 cup, and I'm going to sprinkle some of those. Actually, sorry, I'm going to add some marshmallows inside too, about a 1/2 cup inside. Again, you can add what you want, and I always love that again too, with the peanut butter, the chocolate, the marshmallows. It's going to be amazing. And then you can add some on top as well. So I'm just going to smooth this over. Just smooth it over. And every time I change it up, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to add some marshmallows on top to make it look pretty. And if you want to add some chocolate chips inside, you can use different colored chocolate chips. You could use peanut butter chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet or milk chocolate, and you could decorate it with some more fruit on the outside, and that's it. So again, you can just use the pudding with the Cool Whip and the milk, and then that's it if you want. Or you can add, like I said, some peanut butter, some fruit. If you want to add some strawberries, chocolate chips, marshmallows, even some nuts would be really delicious. It's versatile. So that's it. I'm not going to eat it because I'm serving it. Well, I'm taking it to our friends tonight. And really easy, really fast, really delicious, okay? And tell me what you think. Again, if you want to make half the portion, and then you can portion it out into little, really cute little cups, bowls for yourself, for company, okay? And they won't even know the difference that you're using sugar-free pudding or ultra light Cool Whip, okay? So we'll keep that our secret. And it's so decadent and delicious. I hope you comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, share my YouTube channel. Mwah! Bye for now.